हाँ, आई थिंक अगर कोई स्टोरी एक्साइटिंग लगी तो ज़रूर करूँगा, लेकिन हमेशा मेरी फिल्म में एक बैकड्रॉप रियल रहेगा। वो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इंडिया पाकिस्तान रहे या न्यूयॉर्क की तरह टेररिज्म रहे। वो हो सकता है कुछ और भी हो सकता है। अगर हमारी जो दुनिया है थोड़ी और खूबसूरत हो जाए तो आई थिंक थोड़े और जेंटल बैकड्रॉप्स भी आ जाएंगे। लेकिन हाँ, हमेशा कोशिश ये रहेगी कि एक रियल कॉन्टेक्स्ट रहे, सोशल या पॉलिटिकल।
So, but are you a very violent man in real life?
No,
The only time I've seen Kabir get violent was in road rage. When a driver cut us, that's the only time. Otherwise,
So
he's
this
a very
is not a
peace-loving.
mask.
No,
This is
he's
not
a
a
very peace-loving person. His expression is like this all the time. I've worked with him now in 3 films. It's always like that, except once. I saw him change his expression once. But that's a secret story.
This gentleman right next to you also is the wittiest, funniest, and he take your pants off without you knowing it.
I hope not.
With jokes, with his wit. Let's put it this way. So yeah, and he's done those brilliant kind of films. So when you chat with him, and when you work with him, what's Saif Ali Khan really like? Is he like that all the time?
He's very yeah, like you described him. He's a perfect gentleman. He's very smart. He's got lots of information. He actually also is a very good listener, which is also why I think we got along. I found another person to listen. And he has very interesting information on things outside of just the film industry and just our film. So he's a great person to talk to, and he's very interested in his work. So a lot of times, actually, we were just discussing what we saw the film about and what our take on the film.
And how is she on the set? How does she discuss a lot of things? Does she want to know about what's happening in the gossip world, or films, books?
No, I saw her taking photographs of Beirut on her iPhone and showing, doing all kinds of creative things in between shots with Photoshop and things like this. I've known Katrina for a while, and I've watched her from being, a relatively new actor in Race to becoming one of the biggest stars in the country, and working really hard and being an amazing personality on screen. So it's always nice to spend time with her. I think a lot of actors I've worked with, are a little concerned about the film that they're doing, and they're a little worried about that. And that's, I suppose, normal. But she's a relaxed girl, and someone who I've really enjoyed talking to and spending time with and working with. And I think we had an easy equation. Which is
Katrina, Katrina.
Saif, एक question आपसे है.
Straight down, that lady right there, behind the photographer.
Yeah. You had been on the sets of Bajrangi Bhaijaan during the shoot of Aaj Ki Party. So was there any specific reason behind it?
Yes, Kabir will explain to you the reason.
कबीर सर, आपके सामने.
One second, this question has to be answered.
She would like to know why I was on the sets of Aaj Ki Party.
She should come to meet me. We had to discuss, in fact, things about Phantom. So since I was shooting there and I was busy there, we met in Yashraj and was speaking about Phantom.
Saif, पीछे. Saif, आपसे एक क्वेश्चन है. आपकी एजेंट विनोद को पाकिस्तान में बैन कर दिया गया था. एक बार फिर आप एंटी पाकिस्तान बात कर रहे हैं. आपके बहुत सारे रिलेटिव पाकिस्तान में हैं. तो उनका क्या रिएक्शन?
एक मिनट मेरे क्वेश्चन में मैं समझता था क्यों बोला आपने एंटी पाकिस्तान?
आप पाकिस्तान एंटी इन द सेंस कि आप टेररिज्म की बात कर रहे हैं.
तो आप समझती हैं टेररिज्म रिप्रेजेंट्स पाकिस्तान?
नो, पाकिस्तान की हमने बात की है कि इसमें जितने भी टेररिस्ट दिखा वो पाकिस्तानी, चाहे हाफिज सईद को हम
नहीं, तो मैं आपसे वही सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. तो आपके जहन में टेररिस्ट इज इक्वल टू पाकिस्तान, या पाकिस्तान में और भी बाशिंदे रहते हैं?
नहीं, मेरा कहने का मतलब
आप हैं कहाँ? आप थोड़ा
इधर की तरफ, बैक साइड.
जी.
इसमें पाकिस्तान की ही बात हुई है. तो सैफ हमेशा पाकिस्तान पे फिल्में कर रहे हैं, तो इनके रिलेटिव्स का क्या रिएक्शन होता है, मैं ये जानना चाह रही हूँ.
No, I'm telling you, any of my relatives, I spoke to actually one relative recently, and he said that he doesn't like films that are bashing Pakistan, And I don't think any of us like films that are bashing Pakistan. So we are not trying to do that. This film is, as the trailer says,
this film is about this mindset. Unfortunately, we have a mindset that all the terrorists and the certain sections of the establishment of Pakistan who are definitely doing things which are anti-India, they represent Pakistan. They don't represent Pakistan. That's the whole point of this film. That's the whole point of Bajrangi Bhaijaan. I am the director of Bajrangi Bhaijaan, I am the director of Phantom. Both these films come from the same ideology, which is that there should be people-to-people friendship. People-to-people friendship can never happen as long as these elements exist in either countries. As long as these extremist elements exist, there can never be people-to-people friendship, and these elements have to be eliminated for the countries to get along peacefully. Who are the terrorist elements in India? I didn't say that. Did I say that? I didn't say terrorist elements. See, that's the problem. Your mindset is too strong. I said extremist elements. Sorry? Name who? But I didn't even say there are terrorist elements
Sir,
in
just a
India.
minute. I think there was a miscommunication there. No.
And I said extremist elements.
1 second. I think.
First.
Just a minute, sir.
First, 1 sec. Listen. First, do not talk to me like that. I do not appreciate it. Okay? Come over here. Let me see your face and have a normal conversation. Do not get into this. Which
Sir, I
terrorist
think let's not take few words from lines. I think let's just a minute, sir.
Why are you screaming like that?
Just a minute.
Why are you screaming like that?
1 second. Sir, can you please name yourself?
Calm down.
Right.
Pani pije kuch.
So, 1 second. I'd like to just defend you on one part. 1 second, sir. I don't know what your idea is on this. Just a minute. Calm down. Please calm down. The censor board chief of Pakistan said that this is the one film that has actually helped between two relations. So if they don't have a problem, I don't seem to understand why you seem to have a problem.